International Women's Day observed on 8th of March. It's a day dedicated to celebrating the social, economic, cultural and political achievements of women worldwide. As we commemorate this important day, hosting a fashion show can serve as a powerful platform to showcase stunning designs and inspire and empower women through style and creativity. Fashion has the remarkable ability to challenge stereotypes and break societal norms. By organizing a fashion show on International Women's Day, we can feature diverse representations of beauty, body positivity, and inclusivity through various designs that cater to different tastes, sizes, and ages. We can send a powerful message that celebrates the uniqueness and individuality of every woman. Hosting a fashion show on this day provides an excellent opportunity to shine a spotlight on talented female designers. By showcasing their creations, we can support and promote the work of women in the fashion industry, highlighting their creativity, vision, and innovation. This not only empowers these designers but also encourages other women to pursue their passions and dreams in the world of fashion.